it comes. Huh? That scared the shit out of me. Cooper. Whoa! Got that on camera.
Thunderstorm warning for northeastern Bullitt County and north central Kentucky, southern Jefferson County and north central Kentucky. This includes the city of Louisville until 8:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Louisville International Airport, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will also impact Okolona, Jeffersontown, Fern Creek, Highview, Whitfield, en route. Take cover in a substantial shelter. This storm will produce a burst of damaging winds, large hail, torrential rain, and frequent lightning.
What? I'm videotaping. Whoa! Oh, I just got that on tape.
Finally say yes. New Oscar Mayer selects hot dogs made with 100% beef and no artificial preservatives. It's yes food. Is this cold leader a killer? We have to deal with those weapons again? McDowell guests. How those demons of yours still chasing you? I'm chasing them. That's the last time that's new night tonight. Monday. Look everybody! It's the kids! They've got kid scientists. Plus, Elizabeth Banks, Monday. Announcing the Ford Anniversary Event. This June, Ford is celebrating 109 years of American innovation. To celebrate, Ford just announced $1,009 anniversary bonus cash on select models, including Fusion, F-150, Escape, and Focus. Get America's best-selling brand, get fuel efficiency, and get anniversary cash. Now get a Fusion with 0% financing for 60 months plus up to $1,759 total cash, or lease one for just $169 a month. Hurry to your Ford dealer.
Mmm.